Eating 18 cashews every day will do this to your body. Cashew nuts are kidney-shaped seeds from the cashew tree. They are nutrient-dense and offer various health benefits, making them a versatile addition to many meals. Consuming cashews daily is associated with several advantages, including weight loss, better blood sugar control, and improved heart health. Rich in unsaturated fats, cashews are linked to a reduced risk of early death and cardiovascular diseases. They are low in sugar and a great source of fiber, with protein levels comparable to those of cooked meat. In today's video, we will share with you the 15 health benefits of adding cashews to your daily diet. 1. Lowers blood pressure levels. Cashews are rich in healthy unsaturated fats and essential minerals such as L-arginine, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients help regulate both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by promoting blood vessel dilation. Cashews are versatile and can be enjoyed either raw or roasted, making them a convenient and portable snack. When selecting cashews at the store, opt for the unsalted variety to better manage blood pressure levels. 2. Heart disease prevention. Research has consistently demonstrated that a diet rich in nuts is associated with a reduced risk of conditions such as stroke and heart disease. Cashews, in particular, help lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Their high magnesium content may also decrease the risk of ischemic heart disease. Cashews contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which help regulate triglyceride levels. A 2006 study found that individuals who consumed nuts more than 4 times a week had a 37% lower risk of coronary heart disease compared to those who did not include nuts in their diet. 3. Stroke prevention. Cashews are an excellent source of magnesium, providing approximately 73% of the daily recommended intake in a 100-gram serving. Magnesium is particularly important in reducing the risk of hemorrhagic strokes, which occur when a weakened blood vessel bursts and bleeds into the brain. Additionally, the balanced mix of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in cashews helps prevent strokes. 4. Reduced cholesterol. In a May 2017 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers found that incorporating cashews into the diet led to a notable reduction in total cholesterol levels compared to baseline measurements. The study suggested that regularly eating cashews, as a replacement for high carbohydrate snacks, could be an effective and straightforward approach to managing both total and LDL cholesterol levels in typical American diets. 5. Controls blood sugar levels. People with type 2 diabetes may find adding 18 cashews to their daily diet beneficial. Cashews are high in fiber, which is crucial for preventing blood sugar spikes. Each serving of cashews contains only 9 grams of net carbs, with less than 2 grams coming from sugars. These versatile nuts can be used to create cashew-based sauces and desserts, incorporated into various dishes, or enjoyed on their own. 6. Weight management. Previously, those looking to lose weight were often advised to limit their nut intake due to their high fat and calorie content. However, recent research suggests that diets rich in nuts are associated with more substantial weight loss and lower body weights compared to nut-free diets. For instance, an 18 cashew, 28 grams/1 oz, serving provides 157 calories, but the body may only absorb about 84% of these calories. This is because the fat in cashews is often contained within the fibrous structure and not fully absorbed during digestion. Additionally, cashews are high in fiber and protein, both of which help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, further aiding weight loss. 7. Better bone health. Cashews are notably rich in copper, with 18 cashews providing 623 micrograms of this essential mineral. For adults over 18, the recommended daily intake of copper is 900 micrograms. A deficiency in copper can lead to reduced bone mineral density and a higher risk of osteoporosis. Copper is crucial for maintaining collagen and elastin, which are vital structural elements in the body. Additionally, the magnesium in cashews supports bone health by aiding in the absorption of calcium, while manganese, also present in cashews, helps prevent osteoporosis when combined with calcium and copper. 8. Prevents gallstones. Regular consumption of cashew nuts may lower the likelihood of needing gallbladder surgery. A 2004 study involving women found that those who ate more than 5 ounces of nuts per week had a significantly reduced risk of cholecystectomy compared to those who consumed less than 1 ounce of nuts weekly. 9. Immunity booster. Cashews are packed with zinc, iron, and essential vitamins. Zinc plays a vital role in boosting immunity and supporting primary cell functions. The substantial iron content in cashews aids in the production of red blood cells, which is beneficial for overall immune health. Consistent consumption of zinc and iron can provide the necessary nutrients to strengthen your immune system, which can also positively impact your mental well-being. 10. Boosts brain functions. The brain, being a highly active organ, relies on a consistent intake of fatty acids to maintain optimal function. Cashews, rich in brain-boosting nutrients, can support cognitive functions and help enhance memory and learning speed. For optimal benefits, consider eating cashews that have been soaked overnight on an empty stomach. 11. Improves eye health. Cashew nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which support eye health by protecting ganglion cells from harmful free radicals that could damage the eye's tissue. They also provide lutein and zeaxanthin, which help prevent eye problems. These antioxidants are absorbed by the eyes, assisting in UV filtering and overall protection. 12. Fiber-enriched. Cashews, with their low sugar and high fiber content, are excellent for digestive health. These attributes also help in regulating blood sugar levels. 18Cashews provides 0.9 grams of dietary fiber. For a tasty and nutritious snack, try combining cashews with dried fruit, chocolate chips, and other nuts to make a delicious trail mix. 13. Promotes healthy hair. Incorporating 18Cashews into your daily diet can enhance the shine and health of your hair. The copper content supports melanin production, which contributes to darker, stronger, and more vibrant hair. Additionally, it helps prevent premature graying and promotes scalp health, reducing the risk of excessive hair loss. 14. Promotes healthy skin. Cashew nut oil is widely used across various cultures due to its rich nutrient profile. It contains selenium, zinc, magnesium, vitamin C, phosphorus, and iron, along with proteins, phytochemicals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support collagen and elastin production in the skin, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, enhance the skin's elasticity and radiance. For a dairy-free alternative to sour cream or cream cheese, blend soaked cashews with apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. This mixture can be used to season dishes or create dairy-free versions of your favorite desserts. 15. Prevents blood diseases. Regular cashew consumption also fends off blood diseases. The copper present works by eliminating free radicals from the body. If there is a copper deficiency, it leads to iron deficiencies such as anemia. Cashew butter is another delicious way to add these nuts into your diet. You can spread some onto your toast or stir it into yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Cashews are highly packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and include numerous vitamins, minerals, and beneficial nutrients. However, you should aim to pick the unsalted dry roasted or unroasted varieties whenever possible to gain maximum benefits. You can eat them raw and add them to smoothies, baked items, or desserts. And if you have any nut allergies, you should avoid cashews as they contain potent allergens that can lead to reactions, including life-threatening anaphylactic shock. Will you start eating cashews after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.